been absolutely manic. We've been rushed off our feet with people to talk to on the stand. A lot of people still prefer to meet us face to face, and this is a great place to come.
The tools, the solutions, we love coming out to showcase the latest one, meet existing customers.
Clearly this event covers everything from cloud to cyber to collaboration. Seeing the attendees put that messaging together and realise the impacts that all of these different areas of IT have on each other, I think that's important.
They've really been speaking to us about how we can help them accelerate their next level of digital transformation.
The session is around securing Gen AI. So with the recent coming of ChatGPT and DeepSeek and beyond, how can we future-proof security for the next AI boom?
So my talk is all about lessons learned from using AI to run penetration testing.
My session is about how we can use big data, advanced technologies like analytics, AI, machine learning to support cybersecurity.
I am about to host an absolutely fabulous panel with a group of amazing women talking about different pathways into technology and cyber.
Because it doesn't matter how big your organization is or how small it is, you can always pick up some new ideas, new best practices.
You can ask questions, you can interact, it feels more real that people are actually going on this journey.
I'm really impressed by the size and the amount of content we've got, and the amounts of people I've met.
Absolutely, we'll be back next year because we really enjoyed it so much this year, and we think we'll get some great ROI from it.
Definitely be back next year with an even bigger stand, and looking forward to it.